Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mini Cooper front bumper. First, ensure your Mini Cooper is parked securely on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your essential tools, including a Torx bit set, a flathead screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. Begin by carefully removing the visible fasteners located along the top edge of the bumper, usually near the grille. This initial step prepares the bumper for further disassembly. Next, you will need to access the fasteners hidden behind the wheel arch liners. Turn your front wheels to gain better access, then remove the screws holding the liners in place. Gently pull back the liners to reveal additional bolts. If your Mini Cooper has fog lights or parking sensors, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring or clips during this process. Now, move to the underside of the vehicle. You will find several bolts securing the bottom edge of the bumper to the subframe. Remove these bolts. With all the screws and bolts out, the bumper is primarily held by a series of clips. Gently but firmly pull the bumper outwards from the wheel arches, working your way towards the center. The bumper should then release, allowing you to carefully pull it forward and away from the car. To reinstall the front bumper, reverse the removal process. Carefully align the bumper with the mounting points and push it firmly into place, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reconnect all electrical components, including fog lights and sensors, and then secure all screws and bolts. Double-check that everything is tight and secure before driving. For a fresh scent in your car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed Mini Cooper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.